Hello everyone, it is Trina here with Citrus Twist Kits, and I'm here to share with you our April Night and Day Life Crafted Kit. I know that we're all out there going through crazy times and staying at home and keeping physical distance from others, and I'm just so grateful that all of the people in the creative community have that outlet to be able to go and tell their stories and play a little bit more with their crafting and spend more time with their families. With that said, I want to share the new Night and Day Life Crafted Kit with you that launches on the last day of March 31st at 10 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. Comes in these great little plastic pouches that snap shut. And I'm going to start by quickly sharing some of the free printables that you get with the Life Crafted Kit. You get cut apart elements that you can download and print out to your heart's delight to use on your projects. We also have some bonus journaling cards that suit the theme every month. This month's theme is Night and Day, and it's just all the stories you have to tell no matter what time of day it is. With that, let's dive into the 6x8 paper that comes with the kit. And I'm going to spread this out here for you. I really, really love all the colors in this kit. Kind of speaks to those that like brighter colors and also those that like the more boy colors or neutral colors. And got a lot of beautiful designs for you. This was actually a photo that I took on one of my vacations. Just love it, with the sunset photo going from violets down to the bright yellows of a sunset. Every month the kit comes with a 3x8 bookmark that you can use in your project. And this one has a really fun quote on it. We've got a couple of our double-sided 4x6 journaling cards. Caitlin Schaefer designs our 4x6 and 3x4 journaling cards. Love what she does with those every month. Here are our double-sided 3x4 journaling cards. Just do a quick flip through of these. Kind of stick them together there. Evening, morning, happiness, pursuing dreams, times. So this is the quick zip through of these. And we've got our title card. Forgot to share that with you. Night and Day, the best parts of my life don't make it to social media, although I guess sometimes they do. We also have the print apart tag sheet that comes every month in your kit, pre-printed for you to cut up and use on your projects. In addition to that, for the first time, we have these faux leatherette embossed stickers, rectangle shapes in a beautiful neutral gray color. We have more chipboard. It's a wonderful matte finish that suits the night and day theme. We have a little tiny wood veneer, little things. We've got our Life Crafted 3x4 inch stamp set that comes in our kit. Again, following in on that theme. We've got some gorgeous phrase and icon stickers in a beautiful gold metallic. And one of my favorites, we've got our ephemera pieces that again suit the night and day theme. You've got stars, you got mini suns, you have little tabs that you can use, and the word dream. You've got some florals, you've got some leafy branches. So just flipping through a few of those so you can see what they're all about. Let me show you the back of the package. And there's some script words that are all cut out for you. So that is our April Night and Day kit, and we also have our Traveler's Notebook stamp subscription, again following in the theme, but totally different words than on the other stamp sets, and our This Is Life 4x6 stamp set. Now I'm going to show you a couple of the projects I've been working on with the kit so far, and it includes an 8.5 by 11 layout that I made of my daughter that she sent home from spring break. I can't believe that she was off volunteering in San Francisco doing social justice work over her break, but she's healthy, she's well, but I still worry about her as a mom. And then share some of the pages I've got going on in my Life Crafted album. This is in the beautiful sapphire blue color, and using some of our new digital traveler's notebook pages that will be able to purchase from our site beginning in April. Tags, we have digital tags that you can purchase and download as well. Then these were some pages that I made just with using mostly the April kits, both of the kits, the scrapbooking kit and the Life Crafted kit, and then working pretty much strictly from the April kit, except for I threw in this alphabet that I'm in love with from the March kit, and just recorded a poem that my daughter had written when she was in grade school. And now she's all grown up off at college studying nursing. And I like to do flashback photos. So here's a flashback of my brother and sister and I when we were little, utilizing primarily the April Life Crafted kit, and then just a few of the 3x4 cards from the kit and a picture of my husband and I. Anyways, sending you all lots of love and wishing you the best of health and safety. And I know we're all together in this, and we're all going to get through it together. Till next month, can't wait to see what you create with our kits. Bye for now.